Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I just wanted to come on and leave you guys with an encouraging message. Your problems are never too big for God to fix. You serve a big God. Anything He cannot do does not exist. He hears you, He knows how hard it is, and He wants to help. So cry out to Him. Find a quiet place to talk to Him. Even if all you can do is cry, you cry. Tears are a language that God understands. And when you cannot find the words, be confident that the Holy Spirit intercedes for us through wordless groans. So be encouraged that God hears and understands, and it will all work out in the end. Hi guys, so I just got done with my devotion. Nothing like spending time with God, spending time in His presence, asking Him to just be with us throughout the day. There's nothing like it. Literally gives you so much clarity, gives you so much peace, and makes you feel like you're ready to take on the day and do whatever you need to do to just get through the day. So right now I think I'm gonna go ahead and make me some juice. I have some carrots, some beetroot, turmeric, and ginger, and I think a few lemons. So I think I'm gonna like juice those and make a juice because I'm trying to be healthy. I'm trying to eat healthier and start making like healthy juices to drink throughout the day because work has been really stressful lately and I think it's taken a toll on my body. So now I just want to do everything I can to make sure that I'm taking care of my body. I'm doing everything that I need to do to make sure that I'm healthy. I also got some vitamins the other day, so I've been taking those as well. So yeah, stay tuned guys. You guys are going to see me make that juice. I'm not going to sweeten it or anything. So hopefully I'll be able to drink it. I don't know. I mean, I don't think it's going to be an issue. Like I don't usually use like sugar to sweeten anything anyway, so it should be all right. It's just that I don't know, I hate beetroot. I hate beet so much, so I don't know if I'm gonna actually enjoy the drink with the beet and then the carrot and then the ginger and the turmeric. They're all like, what do you call those? Ground turmeric, what do you call those? Those are like all, I don't want to say ground provisions, but those are all like what? Ground, they're like root, they're like, I don't know, they grow in the ground, they're like roots. I don't know, because they're all like root things, they're all like in the dirt, they grow underground, right guys? I don't know what I'm trying to say, but yeah, they're all like that. So I just think the juice is gonna just taste like dirt. I don't know. Well, hopefully it doesn't, but yeah, you guys are gonna come along with me to make the juice, and then afterwards I have to get ready to go meet Kads at a cafe. We're gonna be doing a little study session, so stay tuned for that as well. I'll see you guys when I start making the juice. Guys, I just finished drinking the beet and carrot juice. It was not bad. It did not taste like dirt, so I was pleasantly surprised. I feel like the lemon was a great addition. So since I didn't add any sugar, the lemon definitely made it refreshing. So it didn't really taste like dirt. It just tasted like, I don't know, but it wasn't bad. So it was definitely a yes. Would I do it again? Yes. So I think I'm gonna do like some research to see what other types of juices I can make and try to see if I can make one like every week, because your girl is trying to be healthy, you know? So I'm gonna do that research, see what's what, and we're gonna make juices and be healthy people. Honestly, I'm just sitting here wasting time, but I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna go get ready and go meet Cads at the cafe so that we can study. I'll pick you guys back up once I'm ready to go meet Cads. So guys, I am actually on my way out the door, and I just wanted to record this video really quick to show you guys the fit. So this is the fit. So I'm heading through the door now because I'm running behind. But yeah, I'll pick you guys back up when I'm in the car. Okay guys, so we're at the cafe with Cads. Literally study dates. No, you don't. And I'm gonna leave that in the video. Alright, so we're about to study. So talk to y'all later. Bye.
I like that they have variety. So like you can come and try something else or anything else. Like they have so many things here. I love. Next time I'm bringing animals back here, we'll come 1 weekend out of the month. Every month. Yes. Yeah. Try on. I was literally just looking at that email. Not your one, mine, because your one's big enough. It's not growing. I do a little work on here and there, but it doesn't mean actually, I work it, I work it. Well, I see me a little bit something on front.
typing.
Okay.
Everything I don't know, my friends know the word. Everything I don't know, I only have plain ramp.
Fine. No problem. Thank you for the picture. Leave me alone. It's you start the conversation. It is cheesy. Tell you look at booze and anti-inflammatories. Apple orange. That and ginger put